This is Al Brooks, and this is my trading course on price action. The current module has to do with rounding tops and bottoms. I'm going through a list of common reversal patterns. The current module has to do with rounding tops and bottoms. Remember, most reversal patterns fail, and a rounding top and bottom, I think the terms are meaningless, and all of them are usually some other term, like some other pattern, like a major trend reversal, a triangle, and a final flag. And you can see the appropriate modules for how those patterns unfold and how to trade them. So we have a bull trend, and we have a here we have a bull trend and a sideways pattern that is rounding over, and the bears would like to think of this as a rounding top. I think of this more as a tight trading range, and we ended up getting a bull breakout. We have a double bottom, so I think of this as more of a double bottom bull flag than a rounding top, and I would probably not take this short. You can argue that there's a bull trend line and this is a higher high major trend reversal, and you probably could take that short. I probably would wait for more information because it's too much of a tight trading range. Double bottom bull flag, bull signal bar, buying at the bottom of a trading range in a bull trend, probably okay for a swing long. I would not take it for a scalp. I think the probability is not high enough. We had a bull breakout here, a bull trend bar. Every trend bar is a breakout, closed well above the high of the prior bar. So this might be an attempt at the trend resuming. You could buy the close of that bar and put a stop below its low, or you can wait for another signal. Here's an IOI pattern, a bar, and then an outside bar, and a second inside bar. So it's inside, outside, inside. Bull bar closing on its high. I think that's a reasonably good buy setup. Buy one tick above its high, place a stop one tick below its low. Let's say there's a round top but no sell signal. You need a break below the bull trend line, and you need a strong signal bar. And if you don't have both, it's better to wait until we get them before looking to short the rounded top. I would rather have it be a higher high or a lower high major trend reversal before shorting. So for example, here we have a strong bull trend and we're forming a rounding top, but we don't have a trend line break. So I probably would not take this short, and I would wait. Here we have a very strong bear breakout well below the bottom of the trend line. So at this point I would start looking for shorts. So we have a bear breakout below the trend line. I don't have the trend line drawn, and well below the moving average. We have a wedge lower high here, one push up, two pushes up, three pushes up, a bear signal bar. I think that's an okay short. You might get out here at the bottom, double bottom bull flag. You might even buy here as for a trading range. When the market comes up here, three pushes up, 1, 2, 3, or simply a low too short, it's a double top. Every double top is a low too short. We have a very strong bear reversal bar. I think this is an excellent setup for a swing short. We have a lower high major trend reversal and then a double top. Remember, a lot of lower high major trend reversals have a second top to them, and we have a very strong signal bar. So the context is good, a trend line break and a lower high, and the lower high is in the form of a double top bear flag and a very strong signal bar. So I think that's a good swing short. We have a bear breakout, a trend bar closing below the low of the prior bar, and we have a pullback, so a breakout pullback short, again closing on its low. Here we have a second sell signal, a low too short. You can call it a double top, the top of this bar, the top of that bar, and sell below the low of this bar for a swing down. So rather than calling this a rounded top, I would not take that short. I would wait until we got the lower high major trend reversal, and here's the second entry. And that is the end of the module on rounding tops and bottoms.